Welcome to the project demonstration of night patrolling robot. In this project we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery, track PCB, L293D, Arduino, Nano and 4 sound sensors. Here we can see front, right, left and back side also. So here we can see the another sensor. And also here we can see buck converter which converts from high DC to low DC, and the buck converter number is LM2596. So and also here we can see we are using step down transformer and rectifier board, and here we can see ESP32 camera which takes the photos and give a messages to our nail. So let will see the previous mails. These are the previous mails. Here we can see now we are charging the battery using this charging circuit. Here we can see this is the step down transformer. It takes 230 volts of power supply through this power cable and will be step down up to 12 volts of AC. The 12 volts of AC will be given to this bridge rectifier input. We know that bridge rectifier will convert AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this battery to charge the battery. So here we can see the light indication, which means battery get charged through this transformer. In this way we can charge this battery. Now we have to on the power supply through this switch. For the noise we will blow our air to this sensor. It will see the demonstration. Now the system is on in position. So here we can see light is blinking, then only we have to give a input to this sensor. So here we can see it is rotating forward and it will take a 20 to 30 seconds of time duration. Even the time duration it will take a one photo and it will send a register mail ID. So that's why it will take a time. And here we can see that due to the duration of time the light will be not blink fastly. Now it is sent a photo to our register email ID. That's why light is blinking more. When light blinks more then only we have to give a input of the sensor. So here we can see I have given input to this back sensor, then it will be rotated back side and it will take a 10 to 20 seconds of duration to send a photo to our register mail ID. And the light blinking is off. When light blinking is on, then only we have to give an input. It is for left. We will see the next one for the right, and we have to see the left side. So we can see the directions of these motors also. In that duration it will send a message to our register mail ID. Now it will be take a picture. So let me see the picture. So this is the forward side image we can see here. So this is the forward side image. In this way it will give a images. These are the previous images when we are tested. One thing I have to forget to say, so that's one. So when we on the power supply, first of all we need to go for the hotspot settings. Then we have to give our hotspot name as a Proel 6474 and password should be 129. Then only this ESP32 will be connected to our mobile network, because this module have a network. Then only it will be send a message to our registered email ID. So here we can see one device is connected and device name also here we can see ESP32. In this way we have to connect first our phone network to this one through hotspot, then only it will give a correct output. In this way this product will be works.